Check it out, y'all. About to take this little guy out for a deck flight. It snaps onto here. See if I can get it loose. Check it out. Tiny, tiny H501. C, that is. His thing got a camera. Let's get him up in the air. No altitude hold. So that's a good thing. First outdoor flight for this thing. Straight to mid-reach. This is second lead. Check out the yaw. So nice yaw on second lead, but not a whole lot of fix. But it does build up some speed though. I guess that's not good though. Be able to build up a lot of speed without having a lot of pitch to stop. Let's see if we can do a flip with this guy. Yep. Press in the left stick to do a flip. My daughter's out here beating on something. Let's see if we can do a backwards flip. We're going in the high reach. We're in high reach now. Check out the yaw. Real fast yaw. Got the funnel. Pretty decent funnels. Goes even faster now. The yaw might be a little too fast for the pitch. This thing has headless mode on it too. Let's see if we can activate headless mode. I think it's the left stick, you press it in. So I did that. And headless mode is working. Check it out. Going forward, coming back, going left, going right. The yaw is a little too fast though, if you ask me. In high reach. I like the yaw and mid rates and the pitch and high reach. So you got them mixed up. Imani, stop with the beating, please. He's over here banging on the railing. Funnels with him. I can't even see the lights. It does have lights to let you know when it's reaching LVC. Let's see if I can bring it closer in here. Are the lights flashing? Nope, the lights are not flashing. Pretty decent range for this little tiny transmitter it has. The sticks aren't too bad either. We can fly around some stuff without losing this little guy. Maybe I shouldn't, because it's so small. If it falls in that grass or that vegetation over there, I probably will never find it. There's a bug bothering me. Got some funnels the other direction. Almost spins around on one motor pod. Uh-oh, we're getting weak. And it's flashing. No altitude hold, so that's awesome. Can bring them down really quick. This thing is from Riviera. Thanks for watching.